Okay, so this is just me working out one example from your homework. I'm going to do number 1, factoring all methods, day 2. I look at this and I see that each of our terms, our first, second, third, are even. And I know that the first 2 I can take out of 4. So I'm going to test to see if I can take a 4 out of 168. So what you're going to do is you're going to take 168 divided by 4. And we're going to see if that's a whole number. If it is, we're able to use it. And that worked for me. So what we're going to do now is factor that out. So I have 4 comes out. I get x squared minus x. And then it's going to be 42. Okay, so now we have just the x method. Adds, multiplies. So adds to give me -1, multiplies to give me -42. So let's go through our factors of 42. This tells us different signs. This tells me bigger number, negative. So 1 and 42, 2 and 21, 3 and 1, 14. Okay, 4 doesn't go into it, 5 doesn't go into it, 6 and 7. Okay, so only one of these is going to be able to add with a difference of 1. But what we notice here is our bigger number has to be negative. So I'm going to go through, put the negatives on our bigger numbers. So negative, 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 negative. Hopefully you see it, but if not, we'll go through it. Negative 41, negative 19, negative 11, and negative 1. So we see our answer has to be this match, 6 and negative 7. So we have 4 on the outside. The only ones that don't have that are B and D. So we know it's going to have to be A or C. And this is going to be plus 6 minus 7. Well, then it has plus 6 minus 7 is C.